If I find myself...
Where? Okay. Where does he shower?
Shower?
Oh no.
You don't have to do that! Sam, you don't have to do that! You don't have to do that! Why did you redeem it? Why did you redeem it? Why did you do it? Ma'am, why did you do this?
No, we don't open it. Don't do this. Okay? We're closing out. Got. Call 199.
So are you refrigerator? Because it's getting hot outside and I want to come inside.
You know, I've studied criminal law and I can say that was fucking criminal, yes.
If you want to go, then you go to hill and go down.
Why you get fried,
yes,
man?
why? Are you crazy?
You're fucking
You are
paranoid,
fucking,
man.
you are fucking.
You fucking you bloody.
You bloody.
Fuck you bloody. Bastard bitch.
You
fuck you,
bastard,
fuck
you.
you. Bloody fuck you bloody. Fucking mother bloody fuck bitch.
But you,
Bloody
what
fuck
do?
you, you fucking bloody bastard.